What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to start earning from TikTok's exciting new initiative, the Creativity Program Beta. This program is specially designed for those who love creating longer, high-quality TikTok videos and are looking to monetize their content. Click on the TikTok Creativity Program link in the video description to get to this page. The Creativity Program Beta is TikTok's latest offering. Enable you to earn rewards for creating and publishing longer video content. What's great about this program is that it gives you access to an updated dashboard where you can view video eligibility, estimated revenue, and detailed video performance analytics. Remember, all videos for this program must adhere to TikTok's community guidelines. To be part of this program and start collecting rewards, you need to meet the following criteria. Your account must be based in the United States. You must be at least 18 years old. You should have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and your videos should have amassed at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. If you're already enrolled in TikTok's Creator Fund, switching to the Creativity Program Beta is straightforward. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu button, then go to Settings. Select Creator Tools, and then Creator Fund. Finally, tap Switch at the bottom of the page. Please note, once you switch to the Creativity Program Beta, you can't go back to the Creator Fund. For those not in the Creator Fund, the process is similar. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu button, then Settings. Select Creator Tools and then Creativity Program. You'll find out if your application is successful within 3 days of applying. The Creativity Program Beta offers a potential earning up to 20 times that of the Creator Fund. With TikTok users increasingly spending time on longer content, this program taps into this trend, allowing you to captivate your audience for extended periods. Creators posting 1-minute plus content in combination with short-form content have seen a 5-fold growth in followers, engagement, and discoverability. For your content to be eligible, videos must be original, high quality, and longer than 1 minute. They should reach at least 1,000 views. They cannot be duets, stitches, photo mode videos, advertisements, paid promotions, or sponsored content. They must comply with the Creativity Program Beta terms, TikTok's terms of service, the community guidelines, and the copyright policy. The TikTok Creativity Program Beta is an excellent opportunity for creators who are passionate about making longer videos. If you meet the criteria, I highly encourage you to apply and take advantage of this program. For more detailed information, be sure to check out the link in the description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.